Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful session. I want to teach you how you get to answer questions falling under statistics where you are told to find the standard deviation. This is grouped data. The following table shows the age distribution of 17 people in a village. First question, calculate the standard deviation. So we are told to calculate the standard deviation. How then can we calculate the standard deviation? For us to calculate the standard deviation, there is something we need to understand. We need to find the midpoints of these numbers. Have you seen? We find the midpoint that is between 0 and 10. So what do? We add 0 plus 10, that is 10. 10 divided by 2, we are finding the average. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. We go here, we add the 2, we are finding average. What is 10 plus 20? That is 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Why am I dividing by 2? Because I'm adding two numbers. I move here, I do the same. What is 20 plus 30? That is 50. 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So these values that are found there, that's the midpoint, and it is called x. Don't forget, that is the x. So now, the first thing in calculating the standard deviation, I'm going to show you the easiest way to answer this particular question. To calculate the standard deviation, we first need to find the mean. So we first find the what? We find the mean. How then do we find the mean? We use the formula summation of frequency multiplied by x, that's the midpoint, over summation of total frequency. That's the formula. We say x, which is mean, by x is equal to, we are multiplying frequency times x. Then we divide by the total frequency, which is 17. You add this. So you say 2 multiplied by, that is x, 5 there, plus, you move to the second one, 6 multiplied by 15, put a 15 there, plus, I move to this other one, where I'm going to say 9 times 25. 9 multiplied by 25. What answer are we going to get? We are dividing everything by 17. So I say over 17. This is what I need to do. I get my calculator. So I get my calculator. I punch this. So this is equal to what? I will say this is equal to what? So I continue from here, where I'm going to say that, okay, mean is equal to what? Mean is equal to, what is the value for mean? What is mean? So I get my calculator, I say 2 times 5 plus 6 times 15 plus 9 times 25. Confirm with me, the answer that I'm getting is 325. 325 over 17. So I say divide 17. What is the answer? The answer that I'm getting is 19.11764,706, where I will now conclude and say, therefore, mean, so by x is equal to 19.12, correct to 2 decimal places. This is the answer. So this is what? This is mean. After you find the mean, so I'm going to do this. This is our mean. Don't forget that. Our mean is what? Our mean is 19.12. That is the mean. After you find the mean, you now calculate the variance. So I'm showing you methods that you need to do. We now calculate the variance. How do we find the variance? Summation of frequency, open brackets, x minus mean cross squared over summation of total frequency. This is the formula we are going to use. Variance is equal to, I'm moving. here the frequency is 2. So I say 2, open bracket. What is x? X is 5. I put 5 there minus. What is the mean? That is the mean. 19.12 cross squared. I say plus. I move here. That is 6 frequency. Open bracket. 15 midpoint minus mean 19.12 squared plus. I'll just be doing like this. 9 open bracket. I've got 25 minus mean 19.12. I guess you're following. Cross squared. Over. I say over total frequency, which is 17. I say this is equal to, what is the answer? What answer am I going to get here? So I get my calculator, I punch everything. I'm getting my calculator, I'm punching everything. 2 open bracket, 5 minus 19.12 cross squared plus, I move to the next one, 6 open bracket, 15 minus 19.12 cross squared. Confirm with me, plus 9 open bracket, 25 minus 19.12. You confirm with me. I'm telling you the procedures to do. Squared, then I say equals. What is the answer? 81. I'm telling you how to do these things, so you should be following. 7648. This answer, I divide it by 17. I divide by what? 17. So this answer divide 17. What answer am I getting? Variance is equal to 47.7508705.9. I'm getting this answer as the variance. After you find the variance, you now say, therefore, standard deviation. You were told to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance. So I find square root of 47.5 like this, 059 like this. I find the square root of this number. So I say, okay, which is equal to, this answer is already displaying on my calculator. So I've got this answer that is already displaying. I just press on that, say equals. The answer is what? 6.910200474. I'm getting this as the answer. So where you say, therefore, standard deviation is as equal to 7. 7 is the what? Standard deviation. This is how you calculate a question in an exam. Just following these procedures, I guess you were able to follow. So this is what you are supposed to do. Those of you that are interested in starting tuitions with me, this is the right time that you have. You can call me or WhatsApp me on this number. This is my number. So you can call me or WhatsApp me on this number. This is my number, 0971 066747. This is my number. So this is how you answer question under statistics, standard deviation, grouped data. Thank you.